this week's video is going to be about what I wear in uni for a week, with including get ready with me's to what is my life daily in university. But it's mostly going to be into a fashion perspective. As I said, that it's with what I wear within what I wear usually in university. So yeah, let's just get right to the video. Bye. So what I'm having on are my Dr. Martens that I'm wearing over here, and then I have my dad's golf jacket with my black jeans. I'm wearing an all black outfit over here, as you can see. Yeah guys, this is my outfit for Monday. And yeah, what I have is this golf shirt. I don't know where my dad got it, but I stole it from his cupboard. It's a golf kind of windbreaker with my black jeans from Edgars over here, and my Dr. Martens, which I also got from Edgars like I think 3 years ago. But that is my outfit for today. I already introduced the outfit. The reason why it's like quite chilled is because it's a Monday, and I usually have like my classes from 8 a.m. until 10, and then afterwards I'm gonna go to work. Like I'm just usually chilled on a Monday in general, but from onwards I'm fine, because you know it's just a chilled from the weekend going on to Monday. Wow guys, it's a lot, but I hope you guys enjoy your week. Bye. So now I'm on my way to work now, and I'll see you guys soon. Morning guys, so it's Tuesday today and it's very sunny outside, so I had to choose something that is very comfortable for me to wear, but also not too warm. But since winter is approaching, I wear a lot of black, but I'm not saying I wear black all the time, but this is my outfit for Tuesday. Oh wait, and by the way, I don't really wear makeup to school. Maybe if I have a presentation or I just feel like wearing makeup, I'll wear makeup, but I usually don't wear makeup because I get a lot, since my skin is starting to break out, because yeah, it was that time of the month, and now I just don't want to put too much makeup on my face. But yeah, this is my outfit for Tuesday. So far I'm off to work now because I have work at 9, but I don't work the whole day. I don't work full 6 hours, but I usually work in between my classes, and you know, you gotta get that money, you know what I mean? But yeah guys, I'm on my way to work now, and then after that it's currently 5 to 9. I'm gonna be on my way to work now, and then after work at 10 o'clock I have class from 10 until 11:30, and then 10 until 12:30, and then I have work afterwards. But yeah, this is my Tuesday. Morning guys, so today is Tuesday. It's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and yeah, I'm actually adding color. I'm having a pink jacket over here, but yeah, I'm going on my way to work now, and let me show you what I'm wearing for today's outfit. So what I'm wearing is these white sneakers from Factorie, these track pants from Factorie, these gray ones, with a pink sweater from Aliexpress. I will obviously list these things in the description box. But yeah guys, I just wanted a chill day, and I also had some I don't know if you can see it here, I have some necklaces on because it has a v-neck kind of vibe, but I just wanted to keep it chill, simple, nice kind of vibes. Morning guys, today is Tuesday, and yeah, today I have a presentation, so I'm kind of dressing formal, semi-formal, not too formal, but yeah, it's currently 9:20 and I'm currently late for work. But so let me show you what I have today. So what I have here is my track pants that I wore yesterday. There's nothing wrong in repeating clothes because school, but I have the sneakers that I wore yesterday too, because I want to have that very gray. As you can see, it's very dim outside, so I have to stick to that. But I also have this top over here from Zara. So this is my ensemble. I have this outfit over here with some necklaces that I always wear because you need to add some jewelry to add a statement. But this is my outfit. Morning guys, so today is Friday. Today I consider it as a very chill day for me. because I go to work and I don't have classes at all today, so I'm working full-time today. So this is what I'm wearing because it's very chilled and it's very cold outside. So I chose this day to just be chilled, but this is what I'm wearing. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below which one was your favorite outfit of the week. If you guys want more of these videos, please do like this video and comment below if you want more of these videos. Bye.